Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the vanilla sweet cream cold brew with extra vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Now the vanilla sweet cream cold foam is like the best part about a lot of Starbucks drinks because it is like I don't even know how to describe it. It's foam, but it's kind of like whipped cream, but it's also kind of like coffee, but it's also kind of like vanilla-y. There's a lot going on with it, but one thing I do know is that it's amazing. And it sits there at the top of the drink, which it's just amazing. I don't know how else to put this, but I want to give it that first sip feeling, Starbucks first sip. Let you guys know what I think. I don't know how to describe that cold foam. It's very sweet, but not too sweet. It's kind of like whipped cream, but in a foamier consistency. It adds to the flavor of the coffee. It doesn't take away from it. It just adds to it. And something like the vanilla sweet cream cold brew, it's already very vanilla flavored, and then adding in the vanilla sweet cream cold foam, it just makes this whole vanilla experience more vanilla-y. I don't know if that's a word, but the foam is really nice, and it can add a lot to these drinks. So I'm a big fan of it. The vanilla sweet cream cold brew with the vanilla sweet cream cold foam, nice combination. And the coffee itself is like really creamy and nice. Got the vanilla sweet cream and then the cold foam on top. I like getting cold foam in my drinks because it just adds a whole lot to the drink without making it drastically different or giving it a weird taste. It's a slight flavor that adds, I think, quite a bit of flavor to it in a good way. It doesn't make it too overpowerful with like a weird flavor. Some things you can get in coffee drinks, they add a little bit too much and then it overpowers the drink. The vanilla sweet cream cold foam, even if it's the first thing you're drinking, it still gives it a nice flavor that pairs well with the rest of the drink. So I'd recommend this with any type of vanilla drink. You can even get this in like a caramel macchiato or anything like that. The extra vanilla sweet cream cold foam is going to just give it that vanilla flavor, and vanilla pairs with a lot of different drinks. So it's really good. Starbucks vanilla sweet cream cold foam, amazing. I'd rate this drink an 8.5 to a 9 out of 10. It is so flavorful. The vanilla sweet cream cold brew is one of my favorite drinks there, as well as the vanilla sweet cream cold foam just adds a whole lot to it, which I adore. So go try it out if you haven't before. It's delicious, and cold foam, just too good. So go try it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.